Our ocean a silent plea for help. Imagine a world without the rhythmic crash of waves, the vibrant colors of coral reefs, or the playful dance of dolphins. This in science fiction is a stark reality where passing if you don't act now to protect our ocean. Our ocean are facing unprecedented threats from pollution, overfishing, and climate change, and their health is inextricably linked to our own survival. We must take collective action to safeguard these vital ecosystems. Plastic pollution is choking our ocean. Millions of tons of plastic waste enter our waters annually, harming marine life through intelligent and ingestions. Microplastics, tiny particles of plastic, are even entering our food chain, posing a potential threat to human health. We need stricter regulation on plastic production and increase efforts in recycling and waste management. But the problem extends beyond plastic. Overfishing is depleting fish population at an alarming rate. Unsustainable fishing practices are disrupting marine ecosystem and threatening the livelihoods of millions who depend on the ocean for food and income. We need to implement sustainable fishing practices, protect marine reserve, and promote responsible seafood consumption. And the impact of climate change is exacerbating these issues. Rising ocean temperature are causing coral bleaching, ocean acidification, and sea level rise. These changes are devastating marine habitats and threatening coastal communities. We must transition to cleaner energy source, reduce greenhouse gas emission, and invest in climate change adaptation measures. Our oceans are facing a triple threat: pollution, overfishing, and climate change. This clim- climate change, these are interconnected and demand a comprehensive response. We've discussed the dire consequences of plastic pollution, unsustainable fishing practices, and climate change on our ocean. Let's not to be silent spectators to this crisis. We can make a difference by reducing our plastic consumption, choosing sustainable seafood, supporting organizations working to protect our ocean, and advocating for stronger environmental policies. The future of our ocean and indeed our own future depends on it. Let make a wave of change.